Have you ever walked into a room and felt something was missing? Maybe the walls are clean, the furniture is sleek, and everything looks perfect, yet the space still feels cold, lifeless. What if I told you one rare exotic money plant could completely transform that space? Not just with greenery, but with style, energy, and even a touch of feng shui luck. Today, I'm revealing 5 rare Chinese money plant varieties that are perfect for minimalist interiors. And number 4, it has black leaves that make any neutral space feel dramatic and alive. Stay tuned, your home is about to get an upgrade. Welcome back to Natural Life. If you love plants, home decor, or feng shui, this video is made for you. Money plants are more than just greenery. They're a symbol of growth, prosperity, and calm energy. But here's the problem. Most money plant lists online only show the common varieties, boring, plain green leaves that don't add any real style to your modern home. Today, we're going rare, unique, and visually stunning. These plants are living art pieces that can sit anywhere, your desk, shelves, or living room, and instantly elevate your minimalist space. Plant number 1, Variegated Jade Pilia. Meet the Variegated Jade Pilia. It's rare because of its creamy white streaks on green leaves, almost like marble. Minimalist appeal. Adds soft color contrast without breaking the neutral palette. Care tips. Bright, indirect light, moderate water, rotate for even growth. Storytelling moment. Imagine this plant sitting on a floating shelf. Sunlight hits it just right, and suddenly your minimalist wall feels alive and dynamic. Engagement cue. Do you prefer creamy white variegation or full green leaves? Comment below, I want to know. Plant number 2, Money Tree Bonsai Twist. Next, the Money Tree Bonsai. Why it's rare? Braided trunk gives a sculptural, almost museum-worthy appearance. Minimalist appeal. Adds vertical interest without clutter. Care tips. Bright filtered light. Lets soil dry slightly between waterings. Storytelling moment. This plant isn't just green, it's a natural art sculpture. Place it near an entryway and it immediately becomes the conversation starter of your home. Engagement cue. Would you try a braided bonsai in your home or stick to classic designs? Plant number 3, Variegated Celtic Money Plant. The Celtic money plant is a rare variety with green, cream, and subtle pink tones. Minimalist appeal. Trailing vines soften rigid edges of modern furniture. Care tips. Low to medium light. Trim occasionally for fuller growth. Storytelling moment. Picture this in a hanging planter, its vines trailing elegantly down a white wall. Suddenly, your minimalist corner feels warm, organic, and alive. Pro tip: hanging plants make any small space feel larger. Plant number 4, Black-leafed Money Plant. Now for the dramatic one, the Black Moon Money Plant. Why it's rare? Deep purplish black leaves create a stunning contrast against neutral decor. Minimalist appeal. Adds drama without clutter. Care tips. Moderate light. Keep soil moist. Avoid overwatering. Storytelling moment. Imagine a white, Scandinavian-inspired room, and in the corner, this almost gothic money plant catches the eye. It's subtle, elegant, yet unforgettable. Engagement cue. Would you go bold with black leaves or stick to green? Plant number 5, Miniature Money Tree Bonsai. Finally, the Miniature Money Tree Bonsai. Why it's rare? Tiny version of the classic money tree, perfect for small spaces. Minimalist appeal. Elegant, contained, perfect for tables or desks. Care tips. Bright indirect light. Prune occasionally. Water when topsoil dries. Storytelling moment. Think of your coffee table or desk. This little plant brings balance, calm, and a touch of luck without ever feeling cluttered. Decor tips for minimalist homes. Neutral pots, white, beige, gray. Let the plant stand out. Height variety. Use stands, shelves, and hanging planters for depth. Mix textures, combine variegated leaves, braided trunks, and trailing vines. Space is key. Less is more. Let each plant breathe. Lighting matters. Place near windows or under filtered light for optimal look and growth. Storytelling moment. Even one rare money plant can turn a blank wall into a focal point of your home. It's like magic, but real. Rare money plants aren't just decoration, they're living art. With the right variety, one plant can transform your space, your mood, and even your energy. So, which one are you bringing home first? Comment below. I'd love to see which plant fits your style. And if you want more plant styling tips, rare finds, and minimalist decor ideas, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Your dream home might be just one rare money plant away.